What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about a very important topic. So that topic today will be, will crypto recover? So will crypto recover this huge drop that we just had? People are calling it a flash crash. It's really crazy right now. The whole market's going crazy. People are going in a frenzy right now. And they say over a $500 billion or something like that has sold out of the crypto market. So that is a lot of sell off right there. And the reason why we're looking at Bitcoin here, this is Bitcoin, and it's because everything kind of follows Bitcoin's footsteps. So that's kind of what I'm getting at here with looking at Bitcoin. But if we think about it, we were kind of expecting a little drop like this. We didn't even, the news was just a cherry on the top. The news was a cherry on the top for crypto in general. It was like we were going to have these drops anyway. It was kind of predicted that we would, because we just cannot get past this point. We just kept doing this over and over again. It was not going any higher, but it was gradually increasing. But I definitely do think we're going to continue to rise. This was just a little much needed dip, a much needed correction. And I would say buy the dip. I would say buy the dip. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing it on everything. Dogecoin, yeah, Ethereum Classic, Hedera. I'll be buying the dip everywhere. Cardano. Right now, I'm waiting till my money clears here inside of Dogecoin. And right now, I have my money in Dogecoin, and I'm waiting for it to go to the moon. You can say what you want, but I definitely believe in Dogecoin. And yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but yeah, I do believe in Dogecoin right now. But right now we're looking at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin kind of dictates the overall crypto market. If Bitcoin's doing well, every other crypto is doing well with it. But I really do think that we're going to continue to rise here with Bitcoin. We always get these little drops, they're little flash crashes, whatever you want to call them. But this time it was because of the government releasing the news that they're going to up the capital gains tax. But that's not really what we care about right now, because honestly, how many of us that are watching this video are actually millionaires right now and are actually going to get taxed like that at the moment? But that's not what we should be worried about. What we should be worried about is how to capitalize on this dip. And really, buying the dip is the best way to capitalize on a dip. I actually lowered my dollar cost average on Dogecoin. I only had 25,000 Dogecoin. Now I have 26.2k in Dogecoin, because I actually lowered my dollar cost average. And as you can see here, the market cap for Bitcoin is actually at 933 billion. So we're no longer at a trillion here with Bitcoin. We're at 933 billion. So that was a huge sell off. But now think about it, if you put 49,000 into Bitcoin now and we go back up to 60, that is a really big 11,000 increase right there. So you got to think about that. We definitely have a lot of gains here. So yeah, let's look over here at Dogecoin too. Dogecoin is now at 30.3 billion. We were at 53 billion. And honestly, I'm going to be completely honest, I do not believe that we're going to continue to crash. I think crypto will recover and is actually recovering. If you go anywhere to any of these charts, let's go over to the 1 minute chart. You see the recovery already happening before your eyes. Look, we're already going on this recovery. This is already set in stone. Almost everything is doing this right now. We're always going up here. Now we could continue to dip. It's possible. But what I really think is going to happen is we may just trade sideways for a little bit. So if we dip, we're going to continue to trade sideways here. But I don't think we're going to dip much lower. We already had a lot of a dip. And you know, a lot of people are going to be buying those dips, because it is becoming a trend to buy dips. So people are going to just start buying the dip as a trend. So that's definitely going to be something that we need here inside of the crypto community. We definitely need people to continue to buy dips. I'm buying the dip. So honestly, I think this is the strategy. Continue. I'm swing trading and day trading, so then I can lower my dollar cost average in my cryptos. But I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I always have to say that in the videos, because people get in the pansy. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're definitely continuing to go up here. This is crazy right now. Let's look at the Dogecoin cart. Or not the Dogecoin, the Dogecoin cart here. Let's go over to Dogecoin right now. We're doing really good here in Dogecoin. As you can see, we're recovering from that 16 cents right there. We were all the way down here, all the way down at 16 cents, and we're recovering. And the same thing's kind of happening with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is recovering in the same way. Honestly, everything is recovering right now, and I would definitely say within the next few weeks we could definitely see a complete recovery from this. Give it about a month and we'll be completely recovered, probably even before that. Let's look over here at Cardano. Honestly, all these cryptos right now, this is such a good dip. It was way better of a dip way back there, but everything is recovering at the same pace, which is something big that you want to pay attention here. Everything is growing at the same pace, and they all seem to have a little bit of resistance right now. I really think crypto is recovering as we speak, and we're actually having a little breakout. Like, everything has a little bit of resistance here, but we're definitely gonna have a breakout here inside of crypto. I honestly believe it. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, all that. But yeah, we're definitely gonna have a breakout in my personal opinion. But yeah, everyone has their own opinion what's going to happen. Like, honestly, yeah, even if we go down, that's the short term. But I'm speaking long term. So when I say breakout, we could have a breakout in a week. We could have a breakout in 2 weeks. We could have a breakout in a month. But a breakout is going to happen just because we're so low right now. Like, all the market cap that was gone, just think about that. That's inside of people's pockets, and they're ready to buy the dip right now. Big whales are waiting for these dips that we're seeing now, and they're already buying in. The big whales in crypto, are the big whales inside Doge particularly. They said that they actually stopped the selling that they were doing, and what they were doing was selling like 1,000,000 Doge every 15 minutes, and they were lowering the price down. But now that you can see, we are at 30 billion. We were at 29 billion, so this is a big step up right here. People are putting their money back in Doge. People are more optimistic with it, and as you can see, people are more optimistic with all the other cryptos too. We just need to continue to gain here. Even though you see red everywhere, we're coming back. We just have to have time. As you can see, for 24 hours, we're only down 2.8% with Bitcoin. And the reason why I say only is because you see that last 7 days we're down 18% in Bitcoin, but now it's only 2% in 24 hours because we're coming back so hard right here. We are coming back hard, and we are coming back for the wins here. We're coming back for all these gains here. Everybody needs to just stop, panic selling. Panic selling is what causes these losses. You really don't lose money inside of crypto or stocks unless you panic sell. So really, do not panic sell. If you do, you will have a terrible time. But yeah, this is just what we're seeing here. This is just how we are going. We're going to continue to go up here. I definitely believe we're going to continue to go up, and if we dip, it'll just be for a day or two, and then we'll continue to do what we're always going to do inside crypto, and that is gain and gain and gain, because crypto is unstoppable. Everybody knows this. This isn't even like a cult type of thing, but crypto is definitely unstoppable right now. Even if Bitcoin has seen way bigger dips than this. Like, we've seen way bigger dips than this inside Bitcoin. But right now, the only thing that we should really be worried about is the comeback here. And honestly, the comeback is here. Everybody knows we are going to continue to grow. This is not going to be stopped. We are at a little dip right here. It's just a little flash crash, so I would not let it discourage you. We were just now at 49K, and we're trying to go right back and forth here between 50K and 49K. So this is really big right now, and definitely think about it. Like, if you put 50K in it now, you'll have 60K, let's say in a week or something like this. This could really happen, maybe in 2 weeks. But yeah, people are going to definitely start putting their money back in crypto once they see they panic for no reason. Really, they panicked for no reason. Like, Biden came out with something saying he's going to tax people, with higher capital gains. But really, people are panicking. People that don't even have $1 million are panicking and selling for no reason. So this is definitely just a little panic here. But I'm to tell you what I'm doing right now. I'm still inside Doge. I'm still gonna do what I said I was gonna do, and I'm going to hold Doge to the moon, and that's exactly what we're gonna do here. So you can be inside whatever you want. Crypto in a whole is not going to crash. I feel like we have had a little crash here, but that's why we are not going to crash. We just now had so much loss inside of growth, so much capital gains just disappeared. So what do you think is going to happen next? People are going to take that money they just took out, they're going to buy these dips. So yes, will crypto recover? We will recover, and I definitely wholeheartedly believe that we will recover. All my money is inside of it, and I definitely am 100% positive that we will recover from this. It's just how things go here. It's just like when the stock market crashes, everyone knows it's going to recover eventually. That's what we're saying. In the long term, we're going to continue to grow. So let's say we just drop down here to 45K inside Bitcoin. That's just another opportunity to buy into Bitcoin and to have your investment secured and locked in, so when it goes up, you're getting the most out of your money. So this is just how we're doing it here. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, free stock with Republic, a free stock with Webull. You can now get crypto on Webull. But yeah, I will be back with another video. This is Marsellis. Peace.